Okay, so this is going to be like my third time making this video. I've hated every single one that I've made for this particular example. So let me go ahead and go through it. Go ahead and read. We have 2 gears adjusted, smaller gear drives the larger one. So you can kind of think as this gear goes this way, for example, large gear is driven this way. The smaller gear rotates through an angle of 150 degrees. How many degrees will the larger gear rotate? So kind of think if I started right here and I had a string that was moving along while these 2 gears are moving, say that string went around the whole small circle. Well, the radius is smaller than the large gear, right? So if you took that same piece of rope that went around here and tried to stretch it out on the larger gear, you wouldn't go a full circle around, okay? So keeping S constant, S is going to be the same for both of the gears. If the radius is larger, then the angle theta is going to be smaller. So we're going to see that in a second. All right, so let's go ahead and go over this one. We have S small equaling S large. Okay, let me pull this down here so it's a little easier. Okay, then we have R theta, since that's what S is equal to. Small is equal to R theta large. So we're going to plug in what we have here. For R small, we have 3.6 inches, and we're multiplying that by a theta value of 150 degrees. On the other side, we have 5.4 inches times theta. And essentially, theta is the same thing as theta large. Okay. And it's so ugly and messy. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try to find theta. So divide both sides by 5.4 inches. Cancels this part out here. We're left with theta on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, we have a 3.6 inches cancel times 150 over 5.4. There's still going to be degrees here. Okay, so don't cancel out those degrees since there's nothing to cancel. And then what we get from the left-hand side is 100 degrees. So for this example, we actually did not need to turn the angle for the small gear into radians because unit cancellations, okay? All right, so we get theta equals 100 degrees for the larger gear. All right, I like this one so much better. It's my shortest video yet. Hope you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and go through the rest of them. If you need some help, let me know.